Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these aesthetic doodles on your Instagram story. So there's a new font on the latest Instagram update, so make sure you update your Instagram first. It's called Rosalía. Hopefully I said that right. I don't know, like Rosalía. But to add that font, I'm just going to go to my stories here. I'm just going to take a picture randomly of this. Then as you can see, there's like this new font. It had like a circle like around it to show that there's like a new font. It's called Rosalía. So there are four doodles that you can create. Smiley faced, and then devil, star, and then heart shape. To create the smiley face, just add this, press this, and then the like strip here, and then the parentheses. To create the smiley face, this is the first one. For the heart shape, just do the usual heart shape that you usually make. And then for the like devil face shape, I don't know what it's called, 3, and then this, and then smile. Lastly, for the star, you need just the like star like thing here, 1, 2, 3. And that is it. You can also type obviously with the font. So you can type whatever you want, and the font is pretty cute in itself anyways. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can get the like doodles on the latest Instagram update. Again, it is the new Rosalía font. I'm just scared that I'm saying this wrong, okay? On Instagram. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. So yeah, that is it for this video. That is how you can get the doodles on your Instagram stories. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!